Hello students, today we'll discuss about biodiversity. What is biodiversity? Bio means life, diversity means variations or variety. Okay, so variety is the unique nature of nature. Means all organisms are unique. Every organism is unique. Still, some organisms are same, like species if you take. In the species, all organisms are same. But in the species, every organism is different. Okay, so this diversity or variety is called as biodiversity, which is very important to the nature. Okay, variety of organisms on earth which are interdependent on each other. Okay, biodiversity refers to number and types of organisms present on earth. So on the earth we have different types of organisms, different types of plants, millions of varieties of plants, animals are there. Okay, that is called as biodiversity. Every organism differ in morphology, size, color, anatomy, habitats and habits. If you take aquatic habitat, okay, so in this aquatic habitat also we have different types of organisms. Fishes are there, prawns are there, oysters are there, like that. Okay, the different morphology. If you take reptiles, snakes or reptiles or crocodiles, so they are all belong to reptiles, but their morphology is different, size is different, color different, anatomy is different. Okay, and biodiversity maintains ecological balance on the earth. Because of biodiversity, ecological balance on the earth will be maintained. Okay, biodiversity prevents species extinctions. So they will prevent complete species extinction from the earth. So number of species described are 1.7 to 1.8 million. In this, animals are about 1.25 millions, insects are about 1.025 million species are there, plants are about 0.5 million. So, as I said, biodiversity refers to the total variety of all life on the earth. I told you, thousands of different world habitats, millions of different species. So, different habitats are there. I told aquatic, soil, or terrestrial habitat, desert habitat, like the so many habitats are there, which again in each habitat we can find different types of organisms, billions of different individuals and trillions of different characteristics. I told you every organism is different, unique. Even identical twins also they refer in some characters. So no organism is same. The total biodiversity of a planet is immense, which is a good thing because the more biodiversity, the more secure all life on earth, including ourselves. Okay, so I told you biodiversity is the beauty of nature. So if we have variety of organisms, then only we can thrive better on the earth. Okay, when there is vigorous biodiversity, we can live better. Our life will be better. We need forests to release oxygen and block away carbon. Forests, what they are doing? They are releasing oxygen and they are blocking carbon. So we need forests for that. We need billions of pollinators and soil organisms and tons of plankton to supply food for us. Pollinators like honeybees or bees, wasps, all these pollinators are important for productivity, increasing productivity. We know the importance of pollinators. They help to pollinate and thereby increasing the productivity in our orchards or in our fields. Soil organisms and tons of plankton to supply food for us. Plankton in the oceans. So these plankton, some other organisms are depending. Small fish. In small fish, big fish. And big fish, we are depending on them. Okay, soil organisms are also playing important role in fertility of the soil. And in forest we have different types of plants which are providing us food and medicine. There are so many medicinal plants are there. Not only food, medicinal plants also there. Okay, we need coral reefs. Coral reefs you can find different types of organisms. They make shelter and they live there. Coral reefs, different coral reefs are there. Different types of organisms live there. Even now we don't know how many species are there in the ocean. Mangroves protect the coast. Mangroves plants, they'll be near estuaries and they prevent soil erosion and also they prevent tsunamis. Okay, mangroves habitat also one type of habitat in which different types of organisms live. So in this way, biodiversity is very important for living organisms.